Hey, what's going on? Steven from Crux. We're going to go through a quick exercise, a rotational plank. When we're in the side plank, we're going to raise the leg to create strong, healthy hips, as well as a nice, strong core for keeping you healthy while you're running. So follow along. While we do this exercise, what we're looking for is everything to stay in line. So as I'm rotating, I'm keeping the hip and the shoulder in line the whole time. I'm rotating like this rather than rotating shoulder first and then hip. I'll show you what I mean here in a second. In the front plank, I'm going to make sure that I'm activating every single muscle in my body. So I come up into tabletop, activate my quads, activate my my calves, my butt, and driving my elbows down towards my feet. I'm driving nice and firmly. You should be shaking right away when you start this exercise. Then I'm going to rotate up. So I'm going to rotate my shoulder and my hip at the same exact time. They both leave the ground at the same exact time. Now on my side, I've got my top leg in front of the other. I'll transition back and raise my heel to the ceiling 5 times. 5 there. Good. My foot goes back in front. I'm going to rotate at the same exact time. Again, I'm not going hip first and then shoulder. And I'm not going shoulder first and then hip. I'm going at the exact same time. So from here, rotating down, I hit the ground. Again, I'm going to activate in that hard plank, driving my elbows towards my toes. Good. I'm going to release a little bit and rotate back down. Good. My shoulder and my hip moved at the same time. I'm going to raise my leg on up. In this position, I'm working both the lower leg and the top leg. This is one of the best exercises to strengthen that glute med. Rotate again. Back down to the ground. Again, I would do this 3 times total, potentially up to 5 times, just staying under load the entire time, right? So back and forth, 3 to 5 times. This one's fantastic for keeping your knees in line, your foot strong and healthy, your hip nice and strong and healthy, so that when you are running, you're not having that collapse in, you're not getting that hip shift out. We're keeping everything in line, healthy, strong, and durable, so that you can keep on running for miles and miles. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.